Alright, today we are going to learn about how to simplify expressions, also known as combining like terms. Alright, so you may or may not have learned this before, so we'll give it a try. For example, if I have eight b plus 4a plus 2b plus 3a plus 3b. I'm just asking you to write it down. I'm asking you to do anything with it. Alright? 8b plus 4a, 2b plus 3a plus 3c. Alright. We're going to simplify the expression. Why is it called an expression? What is it missing or not have? An equal sign, right? So this is an expression because it has no equal sign. Now, simplifying, we're used to doing that with fractions, right? Simplify the numerator and the denominator. Combining, what does combining mean? Put together, right? Now, here, it's combining like terms. So it's combining what looks the same, okay? What I like to use is something called CST. CST stands for circle, square, triangle. It's our little shortcut. Or it's actually used to help us, basically. Alright. So CST. Basically, you're going to circle your first term. So I'm going to circle the 8b. Now I'm going to circle everything that has a b. So, oh, that one, right? Has a b on it. So I'm going to circle it with the plus sign in front of it. Okay? Anything else have a b on it? Nope. Okay? Now I'm going to square the second one. I'm going to square the a, the 4a. So I'm going to put a square on everything that has an a on it. Oh, the 3a, right? Square around that. Anything else? Nope. Alright, the last term would be a triangle. So I'm going to put a triangle on the last one. So we use these shapes to help us differentiate everything. So, the circles. Which term had a circle? 8b plus 2b. Now, what is 8b plus 2b? Yes. Yeah, it's like I have 8 bananas plus 2 bananas. Now I have 10 bananas. Alright? Square. What's in my squares? 4a plus 3a is equal to 7a. And the last one is my triangle, which is 3c. Is there anything else I can add to that? No, so that kind of just stays the same. Alright, so now your final answer is this. 10b plus 7a plus 3c. That's it. Can I? No. This is 10 bananas plus 7 apples plus 3 carrots. Can you put them together? No. I can't say I have 20 carrots. I can't say I have 20 apples. I can't say I have 20 bananas, right? Yeah, but right now we can't. They're not the same. This is literally your final answer. Okay? So your answers are going to look like they're not done, but you simplified it all the way. You're done. There's nothing else you can do. Yeah. You just have to remember, okay, if they have the same letter, we put them together. If they don't have the same letter, we don't put them together. All right? Okay, let's write this one down. 2D plus 7C plus 3D plus C plus S plus S. Okay, write it down. All right, so circle all your D's. Square all of your C's. And put a triangle around the S's. All right, so we have circles. So I have a 2D plus a 3D is equal to what? 5D. My squares. What are my terms when it comes to squares? So I have 7C plus a C. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. The C. What number is in front of it that's invisible? 1. Very good. So there's an invisible 1 right there. So how many total C's are there? 8. And then I have an S plus an S. 2S. Okay, what's your final, write your final answer right here. Raise your hand if you want to tell me the final answer. Saul? Plus? Good. Thank you, Michael. That's it. That's easy. Focus on this. Alright. Let's make it a little bit harder. Alright. Negative 8W plus negative 4X plus 2W plus W plus 6X. They see it's just long, but you realize that all you're doing is adding, right? So you're doing CST, so just write it down. It looks scary, but I'm telling you that if you do CST, so circle, square, triangle right now. So circle the first one. That's a W, so circle all your W's. So you should have circled that. CS square. So I'm going to square the X's. So square circles. So negative 8W plus 2W plus W. What's in front of this W that's invisible? 1. Okay? So there's some negatives, right? So what if I put the two positives together? What do I get? 3W plus negative 8W. Right, you subtract and the signs are different, right? And then there's more negatives, so it'll be negative 5W. Alright. Then the square is negative 4X plus 6X. What's a negative 4X plus a 6X? 2X. Good. So what's your final answer? Not bad, right? Yeah? Alright, what if, I'm going to give you an easy one with no negatives and a harder one with negatives, okay? So 2 to work on. Okay, who would like to provide me with the answer for the first one? John? Yeah. So 7 plus 4x is 11x, right? And then 3m plus m, that's 4, right? Plus 2 more, that's 6. Alright. Now, number 2. Who wants to volunteer and answer? Jennifer? Like that? 4x plus 7y? Alright, let's check. So I'm gonna circle all my x's. Oh, just 2. So negative 3x plus negative x, so it'd be negative 1 right there, right? So that should be negative 4x. Then I'm going to square the y's. So 4y plus 5y plus negative 2y. These two give me 9y plus negative 2y is 7y. So your final answer should be negative 4x plus 7y. Any questions?